Hi friends, welcome to Saman Studies. Today we will learn about Class 6 Chapter 3 Fiber to Fabric of Science NCERT textbook. So before starting the video, I would like to tell you that do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. So let us start the video. So what is a yarn? Yarn are the long thread-like structures that are made up of fibers. I would like to repeat. These are long thread-like structures made up of fabrics. So coming to fibers. What are fibers? Fibers are the thin flexible strands. Fibers are the thin flexible strands. So there are mainly two types of fibers. Natural fiber and synthetic fiber. Natural fiber and synthetic fiber. So what is natural fibers? Natural fibers are those fibers that we get naturally from plants and animals, and synthetic fibers are also called man-made fibers. Examples of plant fibers are cotton and jute, and examples of animal fibers are known as silk and wool. So about some cotton. So I would also like to tell you about cotton. Where does this cotton wool come from? It is grown in the fields. So cotton wool is grown in the fields. Cotton plants are usually grown at places have black soil and warm climate. So cotton plants जो होते हैं वो basically black soil और warm climate में grow होते हैं. और cotton plants के जो fruit होते हैं उन्हें cotton balls भी कहा जाता है. वो आर अबाउट द साइज ऑफ अ लेमन के साइज के वो होते हैं. आफ्टर मैच्योरिंग द बॉल्स दे बर्स्ट एंड द सीड्स कवर्ड विथ कॉटन फाइबर्स हैव बीन सीन. तो जो कॉटन के सीड्स होते हैं वो कॉटन बॉल्स जब बर्स्ट हो जाते हैं, मतलब जब फूट जाते हैं बाहर से, तो हमें कॉटन देखने को मिल जाता है. सो कमिंग टू गिनिंग. What is a ginning? The process of removing seeds from the cotton fiber are known as ginning of cotton. Ginning was traditionally done by hand. Ginning is traditionally done by hand. Ginning हम लोग के hand से होता है, like you can see in this particular diagram. So coming to second plant fiber, that is jute. So jute fiber is obtained from the stem of the jute plant. जो जूट फाइबर होते हैं हमारे वो जूट फाइबर के स्टेम से मिलते हैं हमें. इट इज़ कल्टिवेटेड ड्यूरिंग द रेनी सीजन. वो हम लोग को रेनी सीजन में मिलता है. इन इंडिया जूट इज़ मेनली ग्रोन इन बिहार, वेस्ट बंगाल एंड आसाम. इंडिया में वो जूट मेनली वेस्ट बंगाल, बिहार और असम में पाए जाते हैं. द जूट प्लांट is normally harvested when it is at the flowering stage. The stems of the harvested plants are immersed in water for a few days. The stems rot and fibers are separated by hands. तो जो जूट प्लांट के जो फाइबर्स होते हैं वो भी हैंड से ही सेपरेट होते हैं. सो जो फाइबर होते हैं वो सबसे पहले कन्वर्ट होते हैं यार्न से. तो उस प्रोसेस को हम क्या बोलते हैं? सो व्हाट इज द प्रोसेस ऑफ मेकिंग यार्न फ्रॉम फाइबर्स? सो वी कॉल इट स्पिनिंग. द प्रोसेस ऑफ मेकिंग यार्न फ्रॉम फाइबर्स आर नोन एज स्पिनिंग. सो कमिंग टू वीविंग. द प्रोसेस ऑफ अरेंजिंग टू सेट्स ऑफ yarns टुगेदर make a fabric is called weaving. So what is weaving? The process of arranging two sets of yarn together to make a fabric is called weaving. तो जब हम दो तरीके के yarns को एक साथ बनाते हैं फैब्रिक बनाने के लिए, तो उस प्रोसेस जो होते हैं बीच में उन्हें हम weaving कहते हैं. So coming to knitting, looms. Basically loom Loom is a device for making fabrics. So this is a hand loom or power loom. An example of hand loom is charkha. Like you can see here in this is an charkha is an example of hand loom. So what is the history of clothing material? Have you ever wondered what materials people used in the ancient times for clothes? It appears that in those times people used bark and big leaves of trees, animals, skins and furs to cover themselves. So history क्या है हमारी क्लोथिंग मटेरियल की हिस्ट्री क्या है? सो सबसे पहले तो जो एंशिएंट पीपल होते थे जैसे कि पेलियोलिथिक मैंस जो होते थे वो बार्क बिग ट्री लीव्स होते हैं जो ट्रीज के, एनिमल स्किन और एनिमल्स के फर्स वो सब को फैब्रिक में कन्वर्ट करके पहनते थे. सो कमिंग टू द नेक्स्ट टॉपिक दैट इज हाउ इज फैब्रिक मेड. So fabric is made first in the process there is cotton rolls. Cotton rolls is ginned into fiber. So ginning as I already told you what is a ginning. So cotton rolls is converted into fiber by the process called ginning. Then fiber is converted into yarn by the process called spinning, and yarn is converted into fabric by the two processes called knitting and weaving, as I already told you earlier. So by this we have completed our chapter. So let us do the summary also of this chapter. There is a variety of clothing material or fabric such as cloth and polyester. Fabrics are made from yarns which in turn are made from fibers. Fibers are either natural or synthetic. As I already told you, fibers are classified into natural and synthetic. Cotton, woolen, silk, jute are example of natural, while neol and polyester are example of synthetic, and rayon is also one of them. Fibers like cotton and jute are obtained from plants. Yes, cotton and jute are obtained from plants. So from which part these cotton and jute obtained from the plants? So cotton is obtained inside the seeds and jute is obtained on the stem of it. So I am saying the process of spinning again. The process of making yarn from fibers is called spinning, and fabric from yarns is made by weaving and knitting, as I already told you in the process of from cotton rolls to ginning. One more topic I want to tell you, that wool, that is of animal fiber, that is an animal fiber, is obtained from fleece of sheep and goat. Okay, so wool is obtained from the fleece of sheep or goat. It is also obtained from the hair of rabbits, yak and camels. So silk is obtained from the cocoon of silkworm. Okay, so I have also made you clear that where does wool comes and where does silk fiber comes. So by this we have completed the chapter. So bye friends, मिलते हैं next video में, and do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you friends, bye.